I'm just cutting these potatoes into quarters. These are a mixture of red and white creamers. I like, my favorite for these are the Yukon Gold, but there weren't any in the market, funnily enough, today. So, but potato salad is potato salad, right? These green beans have already been blanched, so they're already cooked. And when I blanch them, I put them into some ice water so they stop cooking, which is why they're such a pretty green color and not kind of sad olive green overcooked. Okay, so it's just like when I lived in France, all beans were that. So I'm just going to, not that piece, I'm just going to cut them in half so they're easier to handle with the potatoes. Now, here we have something that's really fabulous. This is a walnut pesto. It's made with basil leaves, toasted walnuts and garlic and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to put some of this in the bottom. Not too much. And I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on there, just a little bit. Now I'm going to start off by putting the potatoes in. And then the beans. Now, pesto we made it at home. But this is something, ideally, if you wanted to, you could use a jarred pesto that you might have. But this is a particularly good pesto because it's made with walnuts, which have a lot of cancer-fighting properties, and they're rich in vegetable omega-3s, which most Americans don't get enough of at all. So put some more beans in, and obviously the more beans you put in there, the less starchy it is. And that, my friends, is it. Look and learn.